What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today's video we're going to be reviewing one of the most highly requested videos and ukes that we have gotten on this channel in my YouTube comments, in my Instagram DMs, and comments on my posts. Y'all have been asking about my opinions on this uke, and today is the day that we talk about it, which is the Donor concert-size ukulele. We'll talk about the specs and all that good stuff in the video. Also, what I do want to note is that this video is sponsored by Donor, so thank you so much to Donor and the team for sending me this uke and sponsoring this video. We'll talk a little bit more about that in the end of the video as well. But just because this video is sponsored, don't think that I'm just gonna tell you guys that this uke is amazing. I'm gonna tell you the truth about this uke. Do I love it? Do I hate it? We'll have to watch the video. Do I want to throw it out of the window? We'll find out. Maybe I just will. Maybe at the end of the video I'll just throw it out the window. You never know. But again, thank you so much to Donor for sending and sponsoring this video. But let's go ahead and get straight into the review. So before we dive into this uke, I do want to quickly give a little shout out to Donor for creating an actual gig bag that's actually usable and it's actually padded. It's a really nice gig bag with two straps in the back so you can put it over both of your shoulders. So again, thank you so much for actually creating a gig bag. I've reviewed some ukes in the past that were like 4, 5 times, 6 times the price of this uke, and it didn't come with a gig bag. So props to Donor for actually giving you a gig bag at this phenomenal price. Another great feature about this uke is that not only do you get this amazing concert-sized uke, but you do get a ukulele bundle kit, which includes a tuner, cleaning cloth, extra strings, picks, and a strap. So now that we talked about some of the accessories that this ukulele comes with, let's talk about the specs and also the pricing. This Donor concert-sized ukulele is 23 inches long and it is made out of mahogany with a satin finish. This uke features an inlay rope rosette setting around the sound hole, a laminate rosewood fingerboard, Aquila carbon nylon strings. There are mother of pearl inlay dots on the 5th, 7th, 10th, and 12th fret markers. Also, they also do have the fret markers on the side of the uke as well for easy access and viewing.
Nice.
There are 2 strap buttons on this uke, so you can easily attach a strap of your choice on the uke. On the headstock, you'll see the Donor logo, which is an inlay of mother of pearl. And one of my favorite features on this uke is the closed see-through tuning pegs.
Awesome!
So let's go ahead and hear how this uke sounds with some finger picking and some strumming patterns.
Nice.
Overall, I think this is a great uke. I feel like if you are a beginner uke or if you're looking for an affordable, high quality concert-sized uke, that this Donor ukulele concert-sized uke is definitely for you. And again, it does come with extra stuff with the uke accessories of the tuner, picks, cleaning cloth, extra strings, strap, and all that good stuff. And also, don't forget, it comes with an awesome gig bag, which, as I previously mentioned, there are ukes that I've reviewed in the past that are like $300-400, and they didn't even come with a gig bag, which was really surprising. So again, highly recommend this uke if you're like, I want to get a really good, solid concert-sized uke. The Donor ukulele will definitely satisfy your concert cravings. If you don't want to spend a lot of money, because it is well under $70. I really like it. I feel like it's just a plain concert size ukulele. Again, the model is a DUC100. So this is the concert size. They do have other ukes available. I'll leave a link to their website where you can check out all the other stuff. Also, I'll leave a link to the Amazon page where you can go get this. And they do have a lot of specials going on. sometimes it's even 20% off. So highly recommend to go check out the links below. One of the really cool things, as I mentioned previously, is the see-through tuning pegs, which I think is such a cool feature. Haven't really seen that before. Usually they're either open or they're closed and you can't see the tuning, but this one, it's see-through, which is really awesome. So again, I really like this uke. I think it's a really affordable, really high quality uke. I've reviewed a lot of ukes under $70, and this one is definitely one of my top favorites just because of just some of the features that come on this uke, and also the sound of this uke is super bright and fun. And it also tunes really well. Some of the ukes that I've played in the past, it just took a lot to tune and stay in tune. This one stayed pretty much in tune within the first 30 minutes of actually tuning and playing. So it doesn't take a lot of work to keep it in tune. And again, as you play more, the strings will stretch out and it'll be a lot better. It will just stay in tune all the time. But do I recommend this uke? Absolutely. I think the uke accessories alone, with the Gigbag and all the other uke accessories, I think this uke is definitely a winner for the price point. This is an awesome uke if you're, again, looking for a uke that's under $70 and it's a concert size uke. This is awesome. So again, links to everything down below. Thank you so much for Donner for sponsoring this video and sending this uke. You guys have been asking about this uke and my opinions, and my opinion is this uke is pretty awesome. Again, you're getting what you're getting for the price, which is under $70, and just is a great beginner starter ukulele. But again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching. Links to all of my socials will be down below. It's just at Ricky Somborn. Also links to the merch, currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie, and everything will be, again, in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.